Hi, welcome back to Wacky Wednesdays. My name is Reese. I'm Riri. I'm from the Elton branch.
I'm Gigi from the Bookmobile.
And TC from Jennings.
And please don't forget to visit our other branches, which is Miss Leah in Lake Arthur, and we have Miss Lacey in Welsh. Don't forget to visit them. They have story times, and let's give them a shout and a wave so y'all can enjoy them also. Today, this is called the Harry Potter Potion Day. We will be making wands, Harry Potter wands. So,
Don't forget to pick up your kit at your local branch while supplies last.
In your kit, get the stick, some yarn, some glue, paint, and a paintbrush. And you have the freedom to design it how you want. And you don't have to use all the string. You can cut pieces you want. Gigi, show them your wand. She added glitter to hers.
Feel free to add anything that you want that's your own. You know, if you have little stones or little rocks, gems, glitter.
So basically you want to dip your yarn or any other texture item into the glue and get it good and saturated and just twirl it around. You can make your end.
There's really no wrong way to do this, and it may be a little messy. That's okay.
messy's always fun.
And then you'll have to let that dry. And it shouldn't take but hours or so to dry. And once it's dry, you can paint it. We provided some paint for you, but if you have some at home, feel free to use that. And this is my finished Harry Potter one. Be sure and pick up your kit, magic wand kit at your local branch while supplies last. For snack time on this Potter's Potions, we're going to have some Butterbeer and Harry Potter themed treats. But first we're going to make our Butterbeer.
Yay!
You take some butterscotch syrup.
Ooh.
And line the bottom of your cup with it.
Can we have a lot?
You don't need a whole lot. You got some more stuff to
You
add.
don't need a whole lot.
Oh, okay.
I'll take yours.
Okay, just a whittle.
Then we're gonna take some cold cream soda.
Put some more.
Read. Put it up. We're gonna take some cold cream soda and we're gonna add just a little bit for now to be able to stir and mix with that syrup so it don't all stick to the bottom. Just a whittle for now.
Oh,
We'll get some more later.
I'm thirsty.
But you want to get all that sticky syrup
cold.
mixed into that cream soda so it's not all stuck
Well,
at the
she
bottom.
might need extra since she put extra.
Golly, Riri.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop.
I'm gonna put this on.
Okay.
Keep it handy. We're gonna need some more. Now my favorite, the whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Woo-hoo!
Cream in the bottom in your cup.
What kind of fizzes up?
Look, it's already fizzing. Oh my goodness.
All right, whipped cream, but remember,
Oh my gosh.
we're gonna top it off with more cream soda, so don't go
So we don't stir this up.
No,
Because if we stir it up, it's gonna make it flat.
Oh, yum. Then we're gonna finish off with more cream soda.
Oh, it's gonna.
Go slow, because it's gonna start rising.
Oh, I'm already thirsty. Oh my goodness. Yummy yum. It's growing.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
So careful there.
Riri always gotta do it. Riri fick it.
Cheers to Harry Potter.
Yay!
Cheers to Harry Potter.
Y'all.
Good stuff.
Would y'all like a pepper to go with it?
Or a magic wand.
Tasty.
Droobles.
Droobles. Purple droobles.
Birdie Bots.
Have a portable
Blue.
powder. Open it up, y'all.
Open it. I wonder if we sprinkle it on top.
Oh, wouldn't it be so pretty?
Yes.
Powder on top of the butterbeer.
Woo!
Only a Harry Potter and
Look what's happening. Yes.
just right. Great idea, Riri.
Oh my gosh.
The Hippogriff has really bad breath. Really bad breath. That's why I brought y'all here tonight, so we can make some toothpaste to kill that breath.
Ooh.
Oh, can y'all help me with the potion?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, Gigi. We need a cup of that dragon snot.
Dragon snot. I have some.
1 cup. Add it to it. Oh, that doesn't smell good. How's that gonna help the breath?
Ready?
Oh,
Are we ready?
God. And then you need to add 2 squirts of the frog slime. Frog slime. 2 squirts. And then you'll have to swirl it. Right, let's mix it.
Oh, that might help it.
Frog slime?
Yes. You would be surprised.
Where did you find that from?
I tried kissing him first.
In the griffin.
2 squirts.
2.
All right, swirl it around. Let's give it a swirl.
Oh. Yes. Okay.
All right, Riri.
Yes.
I need you to mix 2 tablespoons of the mushroom spores.
Ooh, mushroom spores. We have to be very careful with this.
Yeah, we don't have much left.
No, and we put it under tight seal. Girls, I'm scared.
Oh gosh, be careful. God bless you.
Thank you. How many do we need?
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Don't sneeze now. Let's
No.
feel.
I will be extra careful. I don't want this nowhere.
Mushroom spores are really rare.
Y'all. Oh my
We'll have to wait
gosh.
till next season.
Yes.
Get more.
I think this toothpaste will last me. Just 1 brush.
It should make plenty. Have to make sure we ration it.
Okay.
And then you need to add some warm swamp
Wait,
water.
let me close this.
Oh. We need 4 tablespoons of the warm swamp water. Is it
Swamp
warm?
water. Oh gosh. Is it right? Okay. That smells like alligator.
It's got to be better than the Hippogriff breath though.
Ah. Okay. Now, do we put our own personal touches to it?
Yes.
Okay. Hopefully, this will help freshen the breath. This is for the house of Gryffindor.
For the house of Ravenclaw.
The house of Slytherin.
Okay, ladies.
Now we pour the swamp water mixture
Yes.
into the dragon's knot mixture.
Here we
Ready.
go. Are you ladies ready? Are y'all ready? Here we go. Get your wands ready, ladies. Help it go. Here we go.
Give it a swirl.
Maybe add some more.
We might have to make a potion to calm them down so we can.
But you still ain't gonna brush it off. But still.
Yeah. You got that. Okay. Well, now that that has been decided, we are concluding another week. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And next week, come on back for the
Dad is a superhero.
Dun, 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 dun.
We'll be celebrating Dad for Father's Day all week.
yes. Any volunteers for toothbrushing?